Zellers is coming back. Shout out Canadians in the audience. Everybody else doesn't know what the hell we're talking about. That's okay. This is a very big deal. This is everybody's childhood where the lowest price is the law every day. So.
What's the jingle again? Is there a jingle?
Where the lowest price is the law every day.
Nice.
Yeah. No, I don't forget these type of things.
Okay, yeah.
Every kid had their mom kind of dragging them around Zellers when they were a kid. This was the discount department store. Kind of like Target. In fact, Target came into the Canadian market and bought up the Zellers locations before they then bailed. And then Zellers was gone and Target was gone because Walmart was just crushing everybody. Walmart was like, what do you want to try? Night. We got everything. Like anything Will needs is at Walmart. So, or if you can't order it online, then it's over there.
Yeah, but Zellers is a classic.
It's an absolute classic, and everyone's into nostalgia right now. And Hudson's Bay still owns the name and everything else, and so they're like, "Yeah, we're gonna bring it back." And apparently, early 2023, the company said it will relaunch Zellers, offer a digital-first shopping journey that taps into the nostalgia of the brand. So I don't know what that means. Is it like?
What does that mean?
Is it like
a regular department store?
Is it like online orders with like an emphasis on pickups and smaller locations? That to me is what it would sound like online only. But man, look at the nostalgia of even the like name and stuff. It's so crazy. You would have the restaurant in there. There'd be like a tiny little. You could put 25 cents and do the carousel. Yeah. It's basically that movie. What is that famous meme movie with Jennifer Connelly? And they're in a Target. They're in a Target.
Oh, okay.
They're in a Target. I'm not going to remember it right now. By the way, I think she was in Maverick, the movie last. She definitely was in Maverick last night.
Oh, yeah?
Yeah.
Is Nicole Kidman in there?
No.
Oh, okay.
Career opportunities. Yeah, that's it. With the famous scene, locked in the Target with Jennifer Connelly. And it's like this kind of thing of... It's a little bit liminal. I'm not going to lie. It's a little bit liminal.
With the lights.
Just an empty department store. Without any activity, and kind of just how clean and vibrant it is, but also absent of human life.
Yeah.
Where you would normally have a lot of human life. Yeah. You would only witness these places typically during the day. It's a little bit liminal. Anyway, Zellers was like that. It's like trapped in a Target. All of our childhoods. It's the Canadian version of it. I know it's a huge rabbit hole right now, but apparently it's coming back, so I had to talk about it. And the company has already launched pop-up Zellers shops inside of Hudson's Bay department stores. Okay. So if you want to test it out, you could go to Burlington, Ontario, and give it a crack.
Burlington, okay.
I don't know why, but that's one of the first ones. My God, 1990s. Damn, Willie doing the 90s? You probably had some unbelievable type of look going on. Like, never mind Yeezy or Yeezy Gap. You probably looked way cooler than that. You in the 90s? Imagine what that looked like. With the Zellers fit?
Oh, I don't know.
No, man.
I'm nervous thinking about that. It's a whole look.
All right. All right. Thank you very much to everybody who joined us here today. Thank you to Willie Do as always. And thank you to Tommy Cruise for all those jet noises and aircraft carrier.
All the mocks.
All the mocks I got last night.
Yeah.
And missiles and flares. Flares out the back when they got the missile coming at it. And it's like, I got no flares. Shout out Tommy Cruise. All right.
Yeah.
Later, guys.